Hey everyone, it is Tuesday, February 18th, and today will be a short video because my position is pretty much the same. So I'm just going to go through a little bit what I did today and what I expect for the rest of the week. So I'll see you inside. Okay, so here is where we at. We're still sitting with the 4 Euro USD and the pound New Zealand dollar. Overall, the pound New Zealand dollar has been declining down, and it's been in the trading range part of the day, half the session today, and then it dropped outside that and didn't come back in. Now it's outside. There's talk about this one dropping down to 200. Basically a flat 2. That would be somewhere around around here. So there's talk about that happening. I believe that because we do have we have the top here, we have a top here, and we have a peak up in here, and then we have another low again here, which is right where the trading range is, which I just painted over. So I'm going to take that off. So on daily, that's what we're looking at, and it's a downward trend in that sense. Also, most of the money seems to be kind of ebbing out here. So when we get closer, we see that the money pushing up is starting to fade a bit. But let's see here. There's a move up, and then we have this one, and we have a wick on that. So that's kind of where we at right there with that one. Again, it's been trading in a range of 30 pips roughly today, and it's below that, and we'll see if it breaks down. Obviously, if it gets down to this line, I think it'll peak below that, and at that point I will get out of that. So that's that. Euro USD has been going up and down today. It dropped from the top of the morning down 40 pips, then took back 41 pips, and then dropped back down again. Now the one thing with Euro USD is that the money starts to fade on the shorts. So this is the short move, and the money just seems to come back out of it. So less and less supply of that, or less and less participation of that. That's how I read it anyway. And we see this down move here, where the money is basically just not there. So there's one candle here that sticks out. Obviously I pay attention to that one, and it's a bullish candle, and I think that's a sign of what we may see here shortly. So I think this is starting to form up to what I think could be a major W, but also there is potential for this to come down to the 0.7765 before it kicks it back up. So paying attention to that. Obviously not doing much, but just checking the market today about Euro USD and what people think. I have the stop losses down here, so if it kicks, it kicks. That's just tough life. So that's where I'm at. Other than that, I took 2 small trades today. Didn't move very much. Odd CAD, a little bit in profit. USD Swiss franc, I just closed that one out because I believe with the broker hour looming right around the corner, and of course that would go up, but with the broker hour, I believe the spread will be big enough to take me out anyway because I was running a tight stop loss. So that's where we're at. Not much to talk about. So we're 5 minutes into this video, and it won't be much longer than that. And I am continue looking at continue taking trades as I see them. Obviously, I'm sitting here with this book in front of me, which is my book of lessons. So no more new trades without a stop loss, and take profit so I can set them and forget them. That's usually what I try to do. So and I haven't done the best of that. So I haven't taken anything else today. It's just been monitoring what's going on, reading up about the market and so on. Just quickly, the dollar index is at its peak. It reached up in here and made a new high, and great, it's above the liquidity pool. We have another 20 minutes before market closes. It'll be interesting to see if this candle closes above that, because if it does, then the next kicker will be up in here somewhere with the dollar index, which means I'm going to take a licking and a kicking. Now there's not a lot of consensus on it reaching that high, but whatever. That could be the reality of it. Economic calendar for today and for this week looks as followed. We've gone through all of this. Bad numbers out from UK. That's part of the reason why some of those fell a little bit today. Some other things that haven't really moved a lot. The Djinn report coming up, I expect them not to be so good. Then UK reports, Canada reports, and some US reports tomorrow. So I think tomorrow will be more volatility. So maybe it'll provide some more opportunities. And until I regain some or blow my account, one of the two, right? I'm not going to do a live trading session, because there's really no reason, and because I'm just letting the account sit and try to restore itself or blow itself, either one of those two. So that's where we're at. So I'll see you tomorrow.